If anybody that denies people that helped him, like me, like P2B helped him to win. And they are being denied today. Any good man should follow his leader. If you are a good man, you could have followed P2B to NDC.
Yes.
We are neither here or there. The governor should open the books of transparency. Let him open the book. I want to know how much they are awarding contracts with.
Yes, sir.
I want to know how much the civil servants are receiving.
Procedure.
When I was here, the civil servants received gratuity. They received pension. They received everything. Leave allowance, everything.
No promotion allowance.
And there was free education, free medical care. I built 17 general hospitals and the teaching hospital in Aba. The road they are rehabilitating today were all built by me.
Yes.
They have not opened one new road. Not one. The allocation of 4 months was my allocation for 8 years. That is the truth.
Yes.
4 months allocation is my allocation, was my allocation for 8 years. So what are we talking about? Who is fooling who? Do I look like a fool?
No.
We will call authorities to open the books of Abia State very soon.
Yes.
They will open the books and we see what is in the books. We are not going to tolerate anything that is not transparent. If anybody thinks Anambra State scenario, if anybody thinks the APC will finish fighting here, another party will win. It's not going to happen. President Tinubu is a Democrat. He must allow democratic process to take place. I support that. We support that. Don't you support that? We have more people on ground than the man. The man has nobody. I will come out to fight. I was in my room maintaining friendship. Otti asked his press secretary to go and fight me. How can that be possible? Me, of all people. Let him stay his Labour Party and we see how he can win. It's not possible here. It's not possible here. Not possible here. Because I will be on the street. I want UN, European Union, everybody to bring their observers. First of all, first election, Tinubu will win last night.
Amen.
Second election, all the House of Rep and senators will win.
Amen.
Third election, the APC will have 24/24. That's the truth. And that's what we are going to. Because we allow this man and then the United States of 2023 for him to win. If anybody that denies people that helped him, like me, like P2B helped him to win. And they are being denied today. Any good man should follow his leader. If you are a good man, you could have followed P2B to NDC.
Yes.
We are neither here or there. Even if you have all Tinubu's aides supporting you, President Tinubu is not going to support this rubbish. We are not going to allow the rubbish that happened in any other place to happen here. Oh no, we are going to hand there. Oh, I want to be here. I got a hand mine. When I saw hand no, Maka, here living a state is not believable by me. I don't believe it. That a governor who say is a very good governor will allow his press secretary to be insulting me, who I go to his house and eat and visit, and my party will be abusing me. It is not possible. I will not allow anybody to do that to me. And now they have drawn the line. The line of friendship is there, but the line of politics is drawn.
Yes.
I'm in APC, Governor is in level. I will fight openly. And you people have shown for many years. When I told you people were going to fight Obasanjo, did we fight him or not? We fought him. Stand still, and we got the two states. And that's what we're going to do. There's no fear. I'm here. And God is here for us. We do what is reasonable. We don't do anything that God will blame us. Upon the no one, I don't know. I want us to address policies. The policies in Abia are wrong. The implementation of policies in Abia are wrong. And when we put our governorship candidate, any night go to finish his press conference, our governorship candidate will address the press the next day.
Yes,
To also show that the man is wrong. We will match him closely now. I was leaving him as a friend. Maybe I won loud. Maybe I won loud.